don't have the patience for golf, but it's a big deal in my family. My father and my grandfather are big golfers. My grandfather passed. But so to me, I've resigned myself to, I just bring 12 balls out, maybe 14. I might lose one every hole or close. But it's a good 3-4 hour conversation with people that I care about, right? And sometimes you catch a nice buzz too if the beer cart comes by.
Your dad's disappointed in you, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my grandfather at 91 shot his age. He shot a 91 while he was 91.
91 at 91. That's
Yeah,
incredible.
yeah, it was pretty amazing. He couldn't. He had
How
good
hard was the
distance.
course? Not that it matters, but was it a decent course as well?
Yeah, it was a decent course, but the key was, I mean, like on the part, he wasn't hitting it more than 170 yards, 150, 170 yards. He just was straight as an arrow, though. Wherever he fucking wanted that ball, it was going.
Down the middle, and as long as you can put, he's got a chance, hasn't he? So fair play to him. Good man.
100%. It's great. So I can appreciate a golf match. I just.
Anybody ever been to the Ryder Cup, which is obviously Europe versus America? I've done that a couple of times. It's really, really good fun because the crowd is different on that event than any other golfing event I've ever been to. It's more like a rowdy event where everybody's like shouting and cheering. It's much more exciting. I've never ever been to it. It's really good.
The Ryder Cup.
Ryder Cup,
yeah. USA, that's all the shit. USA.
Oh, yeah, and the Americans shout, "Get in the hole! You the man!"
Let's go! Okay. The Ryder Cup is actually held.
So, are we ready for this, are we? Because there's 20 seconds before the rate.
No. They're going to release it, then they're going to wait for the speeches and stuff, I think.
The market's going to see the rate here in 10 seconds, and I assume it's going to stay the same. But imagine it didn't.
I'm watching. I'm gonna wait for the big movement. There's gonna be a movement. It's gonna be noticeable.
Something.
Ending.
That's something. That ain't it.
4.5 stay the same. Nothing to see here. Economic projections, that could be one that's maybe not so useful.
Stuff at loads. It's like not just now. It's at past. Then it's at the next hour as well. There's loads all back to back.
Loads of buy signals are pinging up on my screen view for some reason. Maybe it's just because it hit 7 o'clock.
Oh, is it what? I mean, our alerts for us for the
yeah. So I got them in my car watch list. So something happens, I know. It just pings 100 buy signals or 100 sell signals. 400 actually. If I had 400 tokens on there, it works. But
right. Okay, see, it came straight up to our wedge here and wicked it. See that right there? Straight to the wedge and wicked it.
usually it is a bit of a pump, and then there's a dump when the realism kicks in.
Possibly.
Bitcoin's just jumped up.
Everything's having a push. SNQU looks like it's had a wee push as well. If you should go to a lower time frame, I have 15 minutes here. If I go to a lower time frame, is that a better view? So it would be.
I haven't changed anything. I've literally got the same screen.
How do you change the time frame?
Top left. Oh yeah, when you mouse over the top left, you're gonna see it.
What if he's got a finger on an iPad?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Maybe there must be a simple way to do it. Unless you know where it is, you can tell me when to press the buttons.
Yeah, I just. Should we be watching the speech, or does that not matter? We're just looking at charts.
I'm just looking at charts. The speech won't happen till 2:30.
until 2:30.
Still there?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. Someone lost as well.
We're still in the middle.
We're still in the middle.
Echo, bad echo.
Yeah, someone's got a mute.
I think it might be me.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, it's you. You turn on crisp. Just turn crisp on
Hear
down
me
at the
now?
bottom. Yeah.
Is that better?
Yes.
Yeah. My car turned back on again.
FOMC. So crude oil.
She dumping.
Why ain't the yeah, it's just still ranging out though. We need a decision on direction. Why is Forex Factory not showing the federal interest rate? Oh, there it goes. 4.5. Didn't change. If this breaks bottom 266, we'll get to 340. I want to go 3 contracts. Say what? Yeah. 3 contracts.
Oh, thanks, bro. Stick it in there for me. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. You're right. Whoops. In a bit, mate.
Need a direction.
Some crack tonight, Matty, if I've 50 grand each to play with. I think my wife will divorce me if I go for a whole night in with 50 grand.
I've had a terrible day today.
Oh god, don't put the pressure on.
So this is pretty volatile.
Oh yeah.
Am I ban market and selling market or ban bid and
This
selling?
is like watching XRP on the 1 minute chart or something.
Yeah. Great. Renko candles. I love Renko candles. So yeah, on the trade of it, we're buying market, selling market, or what are we doing to actually enter and exit the bid?
You can tell us.
Yeah, buying
Literally
market.
gonna type a number in that black box, and then it's either going to be not the bid or it's not the bid or ask. It's the buy or sell. The top two. It's gonna be one of them two.
Buy market, sell market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're only going to pick one direction. That's like saying long or short. I don't know why they call it buy or sell, but it's like long or short basically. But then you're not going to have to close it because you set that figure. You know, when you did the settings earlier. That's my understanding of it anyway. I'm not an expert. I'm literally learnt an hour ago, but I'm thinking that means it's going to short itself. He's saying if in the event of it failing, it doesn't shut, you might have to auto trade it, auto shut it, and it's that grey box that says exit at market and whatever that means.
Cancel any pending orders.
So these, and obviously in crypto, you can sort of cancel it if it goes the wrong direction. Can we do that as well in this?
Yes.
Or
Yeah,
is it
that's
just
fine.
one way or the other?
Hit cancel, yeah. That'll shut it.
Oh, you can
We're
hit
all listening to the
reverse.
cowboy then?
So if you click on that little gray thing, you can click reverse and cancel, and it turns into a reverse button.
Oh, yeah.
So you have a bunch of options in there.
Can you just run through the things that you might shout mid trade for us to do so we can fucking prepare?
Buy, close,
Buy, yeah.
sell,
Oh, that's it.
close,
Right.
And sell? Not sell then, close?
or add in. I'll just say buy more, add in the
buy
direction we're
more?
going. If it, yeah, just say I'm adding in, then just add in whatever
So
direction we're in.
So if we're going to add
Sorry,
in,
you
we'd
said-
be typing a different number in that box and then
Yeah,
either a buy or a
just
sell, yeah?
change it back to 1, and then just
Yeah.
we can get to the target faster. We try to anyways. But that can be a double-edged sword, because if it does any type of whipsaw and you go with max contracts, well, good luck. Right? What's up, Conley? Conley says hi.
Hey, Callie.
This is looking like a drop here. It looks are deceiving. Ho, ho, ho. Check out some YouTubes.
So how far is it likely to move? Is it likely to go, well, obviously, you know, you can't, but normally does it go in sort of $10 increments? And we expect to get $50, and that would be enough of a move to make our contracts make $3,100? Or what's the sort of rough, what sort of candle are we expecting or direction?
Well, I'm looking for 300 ticks around there. So 300 ticks with one contract is $1,500. So 2 contracts is 3,000. So if we can get the 300 ticks, then we can just go with 2 contracts, and that's just this amount of movement right here from where it is right now. There's 300 right there. With 2 contracts, it'll be $3,000. If it starts to dump in that direction, we can add in one and
So
we can get
70
off.
Right, so £75 or dollars movement.
Let's see, 300. Yeah, about 70. 300 ticks is 75. Yep.
Howard Lutnick just tweeted there that 70,000 people have bought Trump's card, the $5 million card. So I'm going, but 70,000, 5 millions, 350 billion. All right.
What did they buy? Trump's what?
Trump's card, you know, the gold card that he set up for, you could
Oh, yeah.
come and move to America, no questions asked, $5 million. So 70,000 people have bought them.
70,000 at 5 million.
Yeah. Is that
That
35
is,
billion or 350 billion?
seven with 3 zeros, 7,000.
70? No, 7 with 4 zeros.
70,000. Oh yeah, that's a lot.
Does that come with a protection from ice?
I think it's no questions asked. I'm on ahead. But then,
About-
what do you call her? Kamala Harris will get in 3.5 years, and she'll just cancel them all, send them all home. And she was for immigration, just not paid immigration. I suppose it's slightly different.
Well, it's kind of brilliant, to be honest, because you're the only people that can afford it are people that are going to boost the economy, and we
Yeah, I
have
was
a
thinking that the spend would be incredible.
and
Property, businesses,
yeah,
probably staff.
yeah, and,
They're
and
going to want to buy American helicopters, American boats, cars, everything.
well, and then our debt is insane. So we are trading the FOMC news. We are waiting for it to break out so that we can. We are going to YOLO accounts to pass or fail. Sounds fun.
Did Bullish Babe not want to come on? Not,
She never does in the evenings.
I just mean for the high casino risks.
No, definitely not.
Mm-hmm.
Has she had to go at the indicators yet?
I haven't spoken to her today. I'm going to speak to her tomorrow.
Yeah, that is 350 billion. A third of $1 trillion.
That knocks out a lot of debt.
You just buy Bitcoin with that, couldn't you? That would help us all.
Not
Here we go. Here's the imbalance. Look at that. Look at this right here.
Why does mine look different?
What do you mean?
My chart looks different to yours.
I just screwed up the stream. I'm dumb. There it is.
Yeah, I just got a single line. I need to find out how to get the lower time frame.
Look at it's flatlining right now. They're waiting.
What? $22,012. Is that what yours is saying? For the price?
Price should be 22,012 around there.
Yeah. That's right. I'm just checking I was not on the wrong thing. That's all.
Wow, that was like flat as a pancake.
That's good. No change. Oh.
What is it gonna do? We have 13 minutes for the press conference. What is it gonna do?
What's the betting? James puts it in the opposite direction to us.
YOLO. YOLO. I mean, that's the true definition of YOLO, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hell, I may fade myself. I'm going to say buy and then go short. See what happens. Yes, sir. Yolo FOMC. I'm thinking, what are we thinking about that name there, the dots? What you think, man?
Naming the dots. What do you mean?
The dots? No.
I don't know. I'm definitely not the marketing guy. As you heard earlier. Ask these fellas. The fun bunch.
The fun bunch. That's what
Fund.
the fuck.
Fun bunch.
No, you said fun.
The fun's better. Fun sounds good. Take that.
But what was it? Send what Mafia? Send it Mafia?
Full send
Send it.
syndicate.
Syndicate.
Full send syndicate. Try to create a name for this thing that we're doing here, so we can have roles and badges assigned to people that do it. You know?
How about nothing but gas?
No, that's fucking horrible.
Zero
dude.
breaks?
What's? Mm,
See, I told you I'm not the marketing guy. I'm much more of an operations guy. You tell me what to get done, it'll be done.
I get it, but we need a name. What about you guys on social media? What do you think for a YOLO trade group that YOLO Trades News? What should the name be?
Can we
I
call
like
ourselves Fuck It?
fuck it. I like Full
Fuck
Send
it.
Syndicate or
FOMO Finance Force.
FOMO Finance Force FFF.
Pump and Pray Posse.
There you go. Pump and pray.
That sounds like something that would be in a porn.
Yeah, still say.
Last week, you was the
That's bad.
liquidation legend.
Right?
That's Matty's stage name. The Pump and Pray Posse.
Yeah. There you go.
I've just asked my chat GBT. It's got some good ones, to be fair.
I was asking it too. Give me a list, and some of them are all right.
Yeah, the Rug Pull Rangers. I quite like that one.
Say Rug Pull Rangers.
Yeah, the Moonbag Mob.
Ah, that's good.
The Over Leveraged Alliance. Exit Liquidity Elite. I like that as well. Satoshi's
Got
Mistakes.
9 minutes
That's what I wanna do.
on the press conference.
The Wick Whisperers.
You should help Cowboy write some of his songs for his lives. All those comments.
What?
You should help Cowboy write some of his songs for his lives.
There
He's
you
got all
go.
the songs.
Yeah,
He's all
yeah.
the trading on them.
Yeah,
He's
dude.
going to have
Here
to
we
write a FOMO song now.
Crypto Casino Crew. I'm keeping that one for my gang.
Crypto
I'm gonna call
Casino.
that the late night show from now on. Crypto Casino Crew.
Is that a Scottish accent I hear over there? Canadian here?
No Scottish people here, bro. No sweaty socks.
Oh. A Belfast accent.
What
Ireland.
the fuck? No way. Morton, are you ready?
Oh, we got ready
Cowboy,
for-
it's like good evening for these people.
It's got to be late.
Welcome,
What is it?
UK.
Oh, 7:30.
Man, are you doing a crypto trade as well?
Nah, I'm trying to concentrate on one thing at a time. I was trying to do two things earlier and lost, so I'm going to concentrate on one thing.
You're no fun.
YOLO!
Well, what are we saying?
I haven't looked yet. Even just thought it's going to go one way or the other. So I'll get
Yeah.
sit there on ETH maybe, and
Oh, don't.
and
He fucking bent me over and fucked me like I was beautiful earlier.
Oh,
got a very eloquent way with words. Matthew.
Uh, if I never see another fucking ETH trade, it'll be too soon.
boom.
You gonna get me the blue cable off?
Kyle needs to come speak right now. You
Right.
know?
Putting his purple tie on as we speak.
Starting to get bearish here.
It hasn't moved from 22,005 roughly to 22,000 in about 10 minutes.
It's
A wee bit more now.
It's on 1978 now.
I've got 22,013 now.
Yours is fucking frozen. Refresh, brother.
It's moving like it's clicking every single second. 22,01675, 22,01450, 22.
You're on the wrong contract.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What's it say in the alpha left?
NQU5.
NQU5, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture of it and show you this.
Am I on the wrong contract?
Right now we're at 21,994.
Yeah, I agree. That's
Yep.
what I can see too.
22,012,
No, it's at 21,992.
22,007.
Nope.
Yeah, you're up. You're on definitely on a different contract. You're probably on the June.
Need to be on
I just did
September.
it. Right, so NQU5, is that what I need to put in?
Yeah,
Yes.
I think there's different ones that come up, right? It's the E Mini Nasdaq 100.
I've only got one choice.
Sounds
you
like
should-
much of my life.
You didn't roll over, but
If you're on a fucking lag because you're on now it is on 22. You're ahead of us.
Mine says data is delayed still. Data is delayed by 10 minutes. To get real-time data, please subscribe to a CME data
it
package.
still says that. You need to log out and log back in. If not, you need to get on support, right? Like, and talk to them right now. You have like 5 minutes.
Go.
Okay. That sounds like I'm not going to do that tip thing. Let's see. 308.
You on Wi-Fi?
No, 5G, but it's full 5G, 200
Fair
megabytes.
enough.
The current market data subscription for your contract is top of book. Would you like to continue and view only best bid and best offer for this contract?
I don't know what that means.
You shouldn't have to pay for
Yeah,
anything.
Will it say okay?
I didn't pay.
No, it says your current market data subscription for this contract is for top of book. Would you like to continue and view only best bid and best offer for this contract?
Yeah. Pretty sure that's right. I've never had to do that before.
Not me.
No fucking charts again. I've got a buy market and a sell market. So
There you
that's
go.
all I need really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So wonder what's your price? It's hard to see because
22
dead.
2007, 2006.
yeah, that's what I've got now.
Good.
Oh, good. Welcome to the party.
Wonder how I get my chart up.
Better than any support function I've ever seen.
I mean, my mouse is about to die of battery. I had to plug it in. Jesus, what timing that is.
But I've got a chart. Right, so on that basis, this is all I'm seeing at the minute. So am I still only needing to press buy and sell?
Yes. Oh, you need to make
Oh,
sure your
yeah.
risk settings are correct. So that you only, you exit at 3,100.
Well, I did change that originally, but let's see what that might be this time. Yeah, there they are. Risk settings 3,100. Yeah, so that's still there.
I would put on 2 contracts for now. I think if we get our 300, that's going to give us our money.
Where the fuck take it back? This is shit.
Maybe it's you.
No, this is shit.
Just saying. You seem to be the guy that always has the tech problems.
No, I just fucking run a tech company. Fuck's sake, I know how tech works.
Okay.
And this
We
is
run
not
through the things you've had technology problems with. WhatsApp. Okay, number
WAP
one,
is
WhatsApp.
shit. WAP is the fucking worst app in the world.
Number two, Blue Sky. You had problems with that as well. Number three.
No, I didn't. We were talking.
Hang on.
We were gossiping that day for 2 hours and not talking about actually doing it.
Indicator. You had a problem with that.
No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
you did. You said,
But I fixed it.
mine's broken. It looks different. Actually, you got your settings wrong. I'm just saying, usually it's user error. But when we boil it down, it's usually user error.
Well, I usually work it out myself into the end. So usually
I,
my tripping up helps other people learn. You see.
I actually told my wife about you because she, very much like you, seems to whatever she
30.
touches the technology, it breaks. Like, and she doesn't do anything wrong. But me and her have got identical phones, identical laptop, but hers seems to break and mine doesn't, doing the same fucking tasks.
We are
And I
dead
actually told her the
neutral.
other day. Oh, what?
We
Okay.
are so neutral right now. Oh my God.
It's all right. They're going to give a
I've
fucking
got
speech.
I've got a customer who I provide mobile phone services for, and this guy's the chief executive of an electronics company. So, like, a multinational corporation, and he goes to Japan regularly, and he takes his phone to Japan, and every time he gets into his hotel room in Japan, the phone shits itself. And there's nothing wrong with his phone. There's nothing wrong with his phone. So much so that we actually sent one of his executives to the same hotel room with his phone that we took off him when we had to replace it, and didn't make any changes to anything at all. And the same fellow was having no problems with his phone. So certain types of people, we reckon he's got an
What's up,
electric
Earth?
current running through his body.
Well, I actually said the same thing about my wife. I think she's a witch. I think she's like
Yeah.
some technology does something to it.
My problem is I don't follow the instructions. I just hit the buttons that look like they're right.
User error.
Yeah. So anyway, sorry. Stop and limit. Which one of those should be highlighted? It's pushed across the limit at the moment.
What?
See on my last picture I sent you there. That's all I've got to see now. I don't have a chart, but I'm happy with that. Speaking now.
You don't have a chart?
Yeah, don't worry about that. I've got a buy and sell, so that's all I need. So you just can tell me what's happening.
Okay.
Looks like you're good to go.
Fuck it. Looks like it's
So-
going to break out up first.
So many contracts I'm doing.
We're going to run
yeah.
with two contracts. If we can get 300 out of this, that'd be nice.
2 contracts. I'll type 2 in the box.
And I'm a ban.
Not yet. Not to
Not
we
yet.
don't know yet.
Is anybody listening to it?
No.
Yes.
No, looking.
gonna look for a sweep to here and then back down, or from down here to up here. We're gonna try the reversal. Selling.
Sell, yeah.
Yep. Here we go. Come on, baby.
Go on.
Jesus, it
Good.
flies, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy. That's faster than crypto.
Come on.
That's like us having $5,000 on a 1 minute candle or 1 second candle or something.
Come on.
What did he say? Something useful? Oh, shit.
Ew.
600 bucks down here.
Yep.
Blink my eyes, 100.
Shut.
Fuck me, it moves quick.
YOLO!
Let's go, baby. Get it.
What the fuck are you guys looking at? Oh,
Here it
Oh,
comes.
great. Yeah.
oh it's like there's a delay. You're ahead of me. Crazy.
Come on.
Come on,
I'm still in the
dump.
negative.
Dump.
So would this be like 3 or 4 times the value of what you put on our copy trades, Cowboy?
This would be way more than 3 or 4 times.
Right.
Probably 15 times.
Oh,
Come on. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Boom, 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 boom.
Fuck it up.
Can't even tell what position I'm in right now.
I wish we would have shorted the top.
Yeah.
I was watching 10-second candles. I was like,
There you go.
oh, that's a grab. Come on, drop
Go
it,
on,
drop
get
it,
on
drop
it.
it, drop it, drop it.
I take it that little tiny arrow is at the entry point, right?
I don't have that on the screen at all. I don't know. Oh,
I
yeah,
think
yeah,
so.
yeah. On Trade of It, yes. Yes.
you showing off your charts and all.
No.
Long way.
Go down. He's not. We're gonna push it. Damn
closed.
it. YOLO.
I think mine closed.
It probably will. Mine didn't close. The fuck?
No, mine didn't close either.
It should have at
Mine did.
12:50.
Mine did.
I might win. Still $900 down at the minute, 1,000.
Come on, drop. Why couldn't we just get it lucky?
Order rejected.
Yeah, my order was.
Should I open another one?
Your 12:50 got hit.
Yeah, my 1250 got hit too.
That's what happened.
So should I wait
No,
or what?
we won't be able to enter another trade. It's locked out till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah. Yep. They
Hmm.
whipped
See
it
what you
back.
have.
They
See what
whipped
happens
it
if you don't
back.
have a chart.
What do you mean?
Going
Come
the right
on.
way now.
I didn't get locked out though. I don't know how. It went to 12:50 and it did not lock me out. And it's coming back down again.
That'd be good.
No, they're pushing. Maybe, I don't know. Still can't really tell. I'm back
Yeah,
down to
oh.
entry. Nope. Nope. This one might be a better. This show.
Hell, it was exciting.
Oh, yeah, they got me. Damn it. All right, well, that was it. They didn't get it. They went long. Or they still haven't gone yet. They're holding. They've
right. I'm gonna dip because I've got to go one. I could do a 1-on-1 with this lad.
Yeah, me too.
When can we do it again?
Got the
I want to do it
instrument.
again.
the next news is going to be tomorrow. There's nothing. Tomorrow's a bank holiday, by the way, so the markets are closed. Not one Friday. Monday we have flash PMI, and that will
Why can't we
be
do this any day?
any day because they don't have news every day. Thank God, or we would never be able to trade. It'd just be fucking wild, crazy, up and down. They haven't even pushed yet. Well, we didn't get that YOLO. That one maybe next time.
Maybe. Right. I'm gonna check. We gotta go message this lad in a bit. Bye bye.
Later, bro.
See you all soon. Bye bye.
Now let me swap over to the real shit and see if we can't get into an actual trade here to
Order filled.
the real accounts. Let's see. Because no, I don't know if I should be trading that in this news because this is going to do something real fast. A bit dangerous. No matter what we would have done, we would have been stopped. Look at the whipsaw. It didn't just go. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was all over the place. Unless we'd have caught that one red candle or the move up towards it.
Yeah. Oh, that's part of the YOLO.
That's right.
Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. We have I'm definitely not gonna enter in on this right now. There's no way, because there's gonna be a fucking gigantic candle coming somewhere. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
That seems prudent.
Watch it dump, dude. Oh, I'm gonna be so like, oh man. You know what I mean? Watch it come crashing
Yeah, I
down.
mean, there's nothing you can do. If it's going to dump with that much whipsaw, then it is what it is.
Yep.
I can't imagine there was positive news. What the hell did he even say?
It's probably not. It's probably gonna flip around and come back down. And that will be it for the social media streams. See you later, guys. Sorry we didn't get it. Conley, call your mama. What is he? Did he give me points? What? Okay, bye, Conley.